This is stage 4 of our big hike through Belgium.
The GR128 is a long-distance hiking trail that starts in the northern France, completely through Belgium, a little piece of Netherlands, and ending in Aachen, Germany. A total distance around 600 kilometers.
Today we are walking from Watten to Zermezele. Yes, the strange name, Zermezele. In the early medieval times, this area was a part of Old Flanders. The old people can speak Old Flemish language. Some things we can understand, but we cannot speak it. It's very strange. There's a lot of bikes here. It's not a Sunday. It's a holiday, but it's not a Sunday. And every time we are hiking here, we say it's so quiet here. And we have an extra participant today. We have Sweetie. Sweetie is a team member of in my salon. She likes to hike and she's going to do the Balkan route in the summer, and she needs practice. She cannot walk very good. Now she needs to train because it's a lot of kilometers that she's going to do. So, and it's a very nice area here. So we said, do you want to come? And yeah. So we have an extra person. It's always fun. It's more busy than normally. A lot of bikes here today. So we said to Sweetie, okay, it's always so quiet here in the north of France. You see nobody. Everybody is like enjoying their Sunday. It's very, very busy. But okay, in a few minutes we're going to be in nature. This is a good start. Early in the morning and just straight up. Okay. And a funny anecdote, little extra, is Sweetie hiked yesterday just like 29 kilometers. Just in case of her training program, she says, okay, let's do this. Let's train. And we are going to take her on a flat trail. It has been a very difficult start. This morning, Sweetie came to our house and she rang the bell and she says, I don't have my hiking shoes with me. I forgot them. Okay, so let's go to her place and then drive back. Okay, no problem, no problem. Then, on the way here, it starts slightly raining. My wife says, oh, I don't have a rain jacket with me. Oh, a little bit of stress. But we saw that it was normally beautiful weather, so, but she had a little stress moment. Okay, no problem, no problem.
Keep breathing.
Keep breathing. Then all the bikers was like really noisy, like, oh my God, that's not a good start. I wanted to hike today or this week or this month, that maybe later this month it will be over. Everything is in spring. You see the flowers, and there are certain fields with all the yellow flowers that you saw already. I have a drone, and then I want to fly over the yellow fields, yellow flower fields, and film the beautiful flowers, the spring. My drone is not working. He needs an update. The last hikes were perfect. It was like flawless. It was like nothing went wrong. Sweetie comes. Are we going to ask her again? I don't know. Let's find out in the future.
It's always a big adventure with me.
That's true. Oh, ho. Big moment.
Oh.
We have 100 kilometers.
Oh.
500 to go. Not only today. Not today, honey.
Go.
Not with the vibe we have. That was not the good way. Yes, the drone is flying again. He's not updated yet, so I have to be careful, but he's flying okay. We have to cross some water. I think it's with a small boat or I don't know what it is, but I want to film that from a distance. I was really annoyed, but hey, maybe Sweetie, her bad vibes are flowing away in the nature, and good karma is coming. These beautiful yellow flowers are rapeseed. I didn't know the English word of this flower, of this plant. They make oil of that. It's in Dutch it's called koolzaad. So in English I translate it in Google. If Google is wrong, I'm wrong. It should be rapeseed. So they make oil of that. And a lot of farmers changed in the last 2-3 years of this kind of plant in between of different things, because it delivers good money, better than other things that they normally farmed. So now you see in Flanders and in northern France and maybe other parts of the world a lot of rapeseed. It's really beautiful, huge fields. Look at that. That was very cool to see. We saw the swans and their eggs. Never saw eggs of a swan before. I think it was really shiny, glimmy, but it was really close to the pot, so you could really access their nest. I should not recommend it because then they get really angry and you disturb them. So, but yeah, that was really close, really cool. Now we are entering an area, a swamp area. This is really cool to see. It's again very different than the landscapes we saw in the previous stages. So the hilltops are behind us, and now we have a swamp area. So yeah, so far it has a rough start, but it's going very good now. That was cool, wasn't it?
Yes.
I thought the swamp area was a little bit bigger. But hey, it was cool. We saw the eggs and we had the little boat. We have arrived in Zermezele, the end of our 4th stage. A really difficult start, but we made it and it was really beautiful. We saw crazy things, we saw beautiful things, and let's say maybe she can go on another trip again. This morning I was not so sure.
I promise I won't forget my shoes again.
Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the 5th stage. Ciao, kus.